MLT System. Kicking off our countdown, we have the MLT System, a true game changer in the world of tile installation. The great news is that it works on just about everything, floors, walls, and ceilings included. This tool allows you to set joints with a minimum thickness of 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeters, and this is something that many competitors have not yet achieved. The MLT System works with 3 reusable elements, and this means it can handle numerous projects and ensure work is done both quicker and to a higher standard. For the professionals who want to get the most out of the MLT systems, an ergonomic gun is available that holds around 1,000 elements. It all comes in a plastic box and has a price tag of $800. MotionSense Rope Tow. MotionSense deserves a mention on our list thanks to their innovative Rope Tow, a remote-controlled winch that will solve your problem any day. The winch is capable of lifting 399 pounds or 181 kilograms, roughly the same as a big bag of cement, so transporting materials on the construction site will now be a whole lot easier. The 36-volt motor that powers the Rope Tow and its high-capacity batteries are similar to the ones used in modern electric vehicles. It also boasts remote control up to 597 feet or 182 meters away, so being a distance away won't affect your productivity at all. The price is a solid $500, and the work it'll take off your shoulders is invaluable. Have you ever thought of what the hose might look like if it was reinverted? Stay tuned to find out. Hose to go. From the land down under, we have the incredible invention called Hose to Go. This tool is a water supply unit that is able to maintain constant water pressure to stop harmful dust and sawdust from escaping into the air when sawing. The Hose to Go keeps your tools running and ensures peace of mind, since it doesn't need fancy parts like a pump, complex electronics, or batteries. The tank of this tool is able to hold 3.7 gallons or 14 liters of water, and it can provide half an hour of non-stop use. When your water runs out, you simply refill the tank by plugging a hose into it. Since this tool is gaining exceptional popularity, would you pay $382 for it? Ryobi Tri-Power Tripod LED Light. Ryobi has been leading the way in the world of tools for the longest time, and now their Tri-Power Tripod LED light stands out as one of the most powerful lighting options on the market. The detachable 360-degree light has 4 different brightness modes, and it's designed for effortless hand-free use. The battery allows the user to use the light for 25 hours straight, so it will be more than strong enough to see you through your workday. Easy storage and transportation are another bonus, and this is possible due to the clever collapsing legs. The light is powered by the ONE+ battery system or an extension cord, and it comes with a reliable 3-year warranty upon purchase. This lighting tool boasts up to 388 lumens, so it will never fail to light up every nook and cranny. For only $139, this is a steal. Bora PM 4500 Speedhorse. By the time we're done listing this product's incredibly useful features, it will make sense why it is the recipient of the Innovation Award. Imagine being able to unfold a sturdy workstand in just 1.6 seconds and then having it be able to hold loads of up to 1,800 pounds or 816 kilograms, all without compromising on stability or ease of use. The extra sturdy legs of the Bora PM 4500 Speedhorse also extend seamlessly from the body and lock firmly in place at a 90-degree angle, and its total height of 30 inches or 76 centimeters makes it even more convenient and useful in any working environment. When you're done, simply pull the special lever, and the Speedhorse folds back up neatly. No wrestling with complicated mechanisms needed. With all these wonderful features, its $140 price tag is a pleasant surprise. Wagner Control Pro 130 Power Tank Paint Sprayer. Wagner tools might just have broken the mold when it comes to making quality and user-friendly sprayers. The Control Pro 130 sprayer has been made to be used on larger projects like painting the exterior of a house or staining a large deck. It will help you work faster and more efficiently by using a specially designed gravity-fed sprayer tank system to apply the paint. The tank can accommodate up to 1.5 gallons or 5.7 liters of liquid in an airless environment. And by incorporating unique high-efficiency airless technology, it is capable of completing tasks 3 times faster than conventional airless sprayers. It literally saves the user at least 50% in paint costs and greatly reduces any overspray. You can now cover large areas without constantly refilling and achieve a smooth, consistent finish without splatter or gaps, thanks to this cool tool. Moreover, extra features like a soft trigger pull for control and comfort, a lightweight body, an integrated gun swivel to prevent kinks and tangles, a 25-foot or 7.5 meter hose, and softer edges to give you even more control. This tool has a price tag of $260. An advanced mesh taper that will be comfortable and efficient can really turn a project around, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the best one yet. iTOOLco Reel Jacks. Construction sites are not the place for flimsy and difficult to work with cable reels. And that is exactly why the company behind the iTOOLco Reel Jacks has come up with a new and improved way to make life easier for workers. These jacks are built for the rough and tumble of construction sites and are made with 2 incredibly strong legs that are linked together by an equally reliable cylinder. A single worker can easily move the reel up or down with little to no effort by using the built-in crank. And the Reel Jack has hitch-free operation thanks to its ingenious design that relies on 4 robust bearings that support a total load capacity of 20,000 pounds or 9 tons. The manufacturer promises that their product will keep working no matter how tough the job is. And as an added bonus, the Reel Jack can be mounted on the back of a truck and can be set up in minutes. The price comes in at $1,455. MARSHALLTOWN Mesh Taper. MARSHALLTOWN almost always has something relevant and noteworthy to add to any tool list. And with this innovative and highly pragmatic mesh taper, they have once again shown just how much insight they have into the needs of the average consumer, especially homeowners who just need some help dealing with the seemingly infinite problems that come with fixing drywall gaps. This small and handy tool with its comfortable handle and adjustable blade just needs one pass along any wall to roll the mesh tape over even the largest holes. It's ultra thin, yet super sturdy, and the tape won't leave any unsightly bumps or rough patches under your cork. You can get this essential tool for just $32. Making fire is not a headache when you have a handy device that can instantly heat your coals up to 2,000 degrees Celsius. Milwaukee Glock with laser. Every so often, 2 worlds collide, and this is exactly what happened with the custom Milwaukee Glock with a laser. The creators of this one-off custom piece created a bespoke Glock that bears the colors and aesthetic that we have come to know and love from the popular construction company. It's got a laser engraving logo and a very unique style, as well as a very ergonomic and comfortable grip. Nearly every part of this Glock has been designed to represent Milwaukee. Do you think this is something you'd ever invest in yourself? RocketFire. When you want to throw a barbecue for your guests, you don't want to spend more time making the fire than actually enjoying it. But without a tool like the RocketFire at your side, that is a real possibility. But if you decide to spend the $145 needed to get your own RocketFire, you'll soon find it can reach the scorching 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,000 degrees Celsius temperature needed to ignite your coals within literal seconds. The RocketFire attachment connects to your propane tank and ignites the gas instantly. And you can tell how much people love this product by the fact that its creators went from needing funding for their own idea to owning their own factory. Inco AHM 112. If there's one tool that really needs an upgrade, it's probably the good old welding helmet. Sure, it does what it needs to do, but many are still very rudimentary and lack features that would make welding easier and more comfortable. The Inco AHM 112 welding goggles are designed with a smart automatic dimming feature and a delicate sensor near your forehead. This detects when you start welding and then automatically darkens the glass, so you don't have to take off your helmet when you need to see the results of your labor. These goggles protect your eyes from glare while allowing you to see your work clearly, unlike regular welding helmets that make everything look dim and unclear. KwickGripper. If you have had enough of struggling to remove stubborn nails, screws, and bolts from places they seem to be permanently attached to and need an easy and affordable way to get this done, we have the solution. It's called the KwickGripper, and it's available for just $49. This little gadget offers effortless extraction, even if the heads are cut off, because it even works on bolts sticking out up just 0.12 inches or 3.2 millimeters. It also offers multifunctionality in that it doubles as a hammer, as a built-in crowbar on the one end, lets you work in cramped corners, and is designed to minimize wood damage as you work. No list would be complete without a state-of-the-art laser level, and our next tool is everything you could need in a level. Laser Liner DigiLevel Laser G40. We would be committing a grave injustice to the world of modern mechanical tools if we didn't include a top-notch level in our list, and this one is a great example of just how far development into these tools have come in the last few years. Not only is the Laser Liner DigiLevel Laser G40 sleek and sophisticated, but it's also packed with practical features that make your life a lot easier. Whether you're hanging shelves or aligning frames, you can trust this level to get it right every time, because it gets measurements accurate to within 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeter per meter. It will also keep itself in place with a strong magnetic mount when you're working with metal structures of any kind. The level provides tilt measurement for a full 360 degrees and helps you by providing audible navigation, feedback, and chiming at angles of 0, 45, 90, 135, and 180 degrees. And the best part is perhaps the price of $111. Boldan PipeCatcher. Next up, we have an ingenious invention from the minds of Finnish engineers, a pipe catcher. This device works to remove foreign objects from the inside of pipes without you having to resort to drastic methods like sawing. It uses 3 air-powered claws that go into the pipe and grab onto anything that shouldn't be there, then pulls it out. The pipe catcher's claws extend when the valve is closed and retract with strong pressure when turned 90 degrees, and they are regulated by a robust air valve. Remarkably, some tests have even shown that this device has enough power to move a car, so it's safe to say it's a reliable and incredibly efficient tool for your pipe working endeavors. The price comes in at $1,387. Would a dry-wet vacuum that offers 2 nozzles and dual power modes change your workday? Works Nitro 20V Wet Dry Vacuum. Few vacuum cleaners can claim to be as powerful and versatile as the Works Nitro 20V Wet Dry Vacuum. This cordless suction machine can clean any surface, wet or dry, and is a smart and economic addition to your home or garage. This vacuum features 2 nozzles, dual power modes, and a hose that extends up to 6.5 feet or 2 meters. Added features include a shoulder strap for easy portability, and the vacuum can handle the equivalent of 2.11 gallons or 8 liters of dry waste, and 0.79 gallons or 3 liters of wet waste. And all this cleaning power is run by PowerShare batteries with up to 6 amp-hour capacity. The price tag is a bit steep at $200, but it's worth every cent. P1L Tagger Construction Printer. When you're busy running around on the job, the last thing you have time for is to keep up with your printing. But with the P1L, You can print what you need, when you need it, no matter where you are. This compact little device can print photos, text, labels, and even QR codes, all directly from your smartphone via Bluetooth. The labels it produces are waterproof and durable, so they won't tear without a fight. On a full charge, you can get around 12 uninterrupted hours of printing. Right now, the entire kit, which includes the printer, app access, and a roll of labels, is priced at $99. Gadgets that work in the background often make the biggest difference, like a mounted dust extractor that will work round the clock to keep the air in your workshop clean. Sealy 3.7V Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor. You would be forgiven if you didn't think a product that costs only $52.50 and looks as simple as this one can actually be as much help when you're working. But we are happy to inform you that the Sealy Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor will indeed make a difference in your life. This little device is practical to the extreme and has been designed for use with drills up to 0.5 inches, 12 millimeters in diameter, but weighs only 7.4 ounces or 210 grams, the same as your average smartphone. It neatly attaches to the wall where it will stay and collects every speck of dust you create. The dust is stored inside a removable dust collection pod and also features 2 spear levels and a laser for ultra-precise hole placement. What's not to love? Hilltip WeedStriker. Humanity has faced many problems throughout its time here on Earth, and it wouldn't be too far-fetched to say that weeds are one of the most persistent and seemingly unsolvable of all these earthly woes. Weeds can ruin a perfectly good lawn and make the garden a place of misery and failure. But now gardeners have an amazing and completely nature-friendly weapon with which to take on these eternal pests. The WeedStriker uses water heated to 208 degrees Fahrenheit or 98 degrees Celsius to eliminate weeds without harmful chemicals. And you will always have some of this water on hand because it's made inside a large boiler that fits easily in the back of any pickup truck. You can control everything, including the built-in electric pump, via the helpful Strike Smart app. Flawless metal pipe cleaning using pressurized aluminum oxide is now a feature of our next cool tool. Keep watching to see more. PiCo Pipe. When it comes to tools, appearances can often be deceptive, and the simplest looking ones are sometimes the most useful, such is the case for the PiCo Pipe. Hidden inside this seemingly ordinary tool are some of the most remarkable mechanical details, and it's these special features that enable it to create a flawlessly clean surface on any metal pipe within the diameter range of 2 to 8 inches, 5 to 20 centimeters. It does this by removing every last bit of rust, buildup, paint, scale, and everything else that shouldn't be there using pressurized aluminum oxide. The PiCo Pipe achieves a high cleaning standard of SA3 SP5, leaving behind a uniformly whiter gray metal surface. It relies on reusable pressurized aluminum oxide, making this tool ideal for those looking for a practical and effective solution for pipe cleaning. Milwaukee M18 Pruning Shears. With the Milwaukee M18 pruning shears, it really doesn't matter if you haven't taken up the trimmer in years, or if you just have a tree that needs some serious pruning. With these shears, every leaf and branch within a 10-foot or 3-meter range will be clippable thanks to the helpful battery-operated telescopic pruner. Not only that, but you will sail through the job around 80% faster, according to the manufacturer. A single battery charge will power you through up to 2,000 branches without stopping, as long as they aren't thicker than the maximum 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters diameter. You can get your hands on one of your own for around $500. IML-RESI PowerDrill. Maybe you discovered that your favorite decades-old tree is showing signs of ill health, or perhaps you have a career that includes checking up on the condition of many trees at once. The solution might just be investing in this unique product. The IML-RESI PowerDrill is armed with a strong laser that penetrates deep into the trunk of the tree and then identifies any signs of problems, whether it's physical damage, fungi, pests, hollow areas, or decay of any sort. This machine will pick it up. For a truly thorough analysis, you need to take measurements at least 30 times, from the roots to the top of the tree, and then once you identify the issues, you can begin treating the tree. However, keep in mind that the IML-RESI PowerDrill is only for diagnosis and won't assist in the treatment process, but will still be an invaluable part of the process. The starting price for this advanced machine is around $10,000. Making autonomous adjustments on pipes used to be a far-fetched dream, but our special bird changes things up drastically. Makita Tools MUH016G. Makita Tools are once again proving their incredible know-how with their latest creation, this potentially life-saving flashlight. The MUH016G has a very generous 1000 lumen output and can last for up to 5 hours when used in dim mode and 2 hours when used in the brightest mode. This flashlight has 360-degree swivel hooks and 180-degree swiveling ends for maximum versatility, and it is built to withstand tough conditions. Additionally, it's water and dust resistant with an impact-resistant ABS body, and it easily attaches to your car's hood with magnets or hooks, making it easy to check out what's going on under there. Then to add on to that, the charging is quick and convenient, taking just 4.5 hours through a USB Type-C port. Plus, its body is made out of a durable plastic, and the lens is molded from durable clear polycarbonate, so it will never leave you in the dark. The price for this new age flashlight is $110. Spider-Bird. We continue our selection with another interesting product, the Spider-Bird. This specialized external pipe chamfer tool is remarkably versatile and can be used in conjunction with PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PP pipes. It is also equipped with the ability to provide convenient autonomous adjustments as needed. Some of the most impressive features of the standard PC2000 model is that it is fully compatible with cordless drills of 14 volts and higher, and that it offers a working range of 3 to 4.3 inches, or 75 to 110 millimeters. All this comes in at a reasonable price tag of $179. ISO T001, the Cool Tool. It's often the simplest and least noteworthy of objects that can play the biggest part in our modern world, and we think this high-tensioning tool should fit squarely into that category. Its purpose is to work with stainless steel bands like these, bands that hold together everything from railway structures to cables. It keeps them in place with a maximum force of 2,400 pounds or 1 ton. It can accommodate bands up to 0.8 inches or 20 millimeters wide and 0.04 inches to 1 millimeter thick, and it is made even more useful with the addition of a sharp, built-in blade that cuts through straps in seconds. For a price of $130, it really is a bargain. A paint sprayer from a leading construction name is bound to impress. Keep watching to see all its remarkable features. Tracer Contour Gauge. Imagine for a while that you've been tasked with measuring impossibly intricate ceiling moldings and marble columns in an old house. Not only is this task difficult, but it is also tedious and time-consuming, which is exactly why you need to invest in a tool like this one. The Tracer Contour Gauge features a set of sliding, retractable plates that press against the wall to accurately replicate its shape, after which you can then transfer this exact profile to your drywall. It's currently available for purchase in 2 sizes, 5 inches or 130 millimeters and 10 inches or 250 millimeters, and it has been crafted to achieve the easiest profile scribing possible. The Contour Gauge has a built-in locking mechanism for precise tracing to boot. Lastly, we should mention that it includes 2 sturdy strips at the top and bottom that stop the plates from ever sagging or losing their form. You can expect a price tag of around $39 for this tool. iTOOL's Flexi-Frame. Smart painters who know how to make the most out of their time are always on the lookout for the best tools to help them achieve the best results. And most of them probably know that using the Flexi-Frame from iTOOLs is a great way to do this. It might look like your typical paint roller at first glance, but it offers a major advantage others don't. Its modularity. The handle and roller are separate parts, allowing for quick and easy paint color changes without the need for endless washing. You can easily bend the arms, slide out the roller core, and replace it with a new one. Another bonus feature is the long, flexible handle and convenient bucket hook that lets you position it on the side of your paint bucket. The $13 price tag means you can add it to your painting arsenal today. Bosch PFS 7000. Bosch might be synonymous with high-quality power tools and equipment for cars, but they are also the makers of what can be considered one of the strongest paint sprayers in its class. The PFS 7000 is a hard-working tool aimed at helping construction workers, and with its powerful 1,440-watt motor, one person can effortlessly cover 43 square feet or 4 square meters in 60 seconds or less. That person can also enjoy the freedom to work at a distance of up to 13 feet or 4 meters away, thanks to the extensive hose. Finally, this high-functioning sprayer comes with 2 containers, each capable of holding 0.26 gallons or 1 liter of paint, and it's compatible with varnish use. The best news? It sells for $367. Makita MUH016G. Watching this tool at work is probably one of the most satisfying things you can do, apart from actually using it. The Makita MUH016G is a brilliant innovation from Japanese engineers, and you might be pleasantly surprised at just how simple it is to use and how much time and effort you will save by incorporating it into your routine. It makes yard work easier and more enjoyable. This cutting tool resembles an electric or gasoline-powered rotary chainsaw, but actually consists of several pruners combined into one efficient device. The ingeniously designed trimming mechanism features 2 extendable and retractable plates, with teeth that effortlessly snip branches once they are positioned between them. Sounds like a dream gardening tool, right? HG Mini Dumper. The days of having to work with cumbersome, weighty, and difficult to maneuver dump trucks on already difficult job sites are officially over, thanks to the innovative minds behind the HG Mini Dumper. This Danish design marvel, powered by a quiet Honda electric motor, is made with user-friendliness in mind, and it shows. It's already been working on the streets for 50 years, and is still one of the most practical, efficient, and eco-friendly choices for modern construction needs. Despite its compact size, this mini dumper can carry up to 2,200 pounds or 1 ton of cargo, which is perfect for smaller scale construction tasks. It moves along at a speed of up to 4 miles or 6 kilometers per hour and runs for 12 hours on a single charge. The HG Mini Dumper boasts 0 emissions and less noise, makes use of robust hydraulic lifting for the dumper body, and overall is as kind to the environment as it is to workers. WorkPro 5-in-1 Interchangeable Pliers Set. Let's move on to another great tool. This time from WorkPro. Their multifunctional 5-in-1 plier set contains nearly everything you can need to fix just about anything and is perfect for on-the-go use. This tool has scissors, wire pliers, crimping pliers, and wire strippers, all made from durable pressure-resistant alloy steel. All of these are attached to a pliable yet sturdy plastic handle, and a secure snap-in mechanism keeps all the relevant parts in place while you're busy. Lastly, this entire set can be stored in a small, conveniently portable box, and the entire thing, when assembled, measures under 8 inches or 20 centimeters in length. The price is a reasonable $30. Would you invest in a cutting-edge woodworking table that is able to set up within minutes? Stock floor guiding device for concrete grinder. It can be argued that few companies take comfort in the workplace as seriously as the German-based Stock, and they have the record to prove it. Take, for instance, this metal frame from Concrete Grinders, which is not only fully compatible with all available models, but has also been engineered with a clever tube pressure clamp system that eliminates the need for any extra tools during assembly. User comfort is once again prioritized in the very design by its 19-pound or 8.5 kilogram total weight, as well as ergonomic form. And the grinder has been craftily positioned vertically in the bottom tray, making it incredibly easy to use. Far Tools Renovator Rex 120D. Far Tools has come up with a completely new and perhaps much better way to help you clean up your home or any other space. And their way means you can skip the old angle grinder and the tedious work that comes with it. The Renovator Rex 120D is the smart way to strip any surface. And unlike any angle grinder, its roller turns perpendicular to the object's axis, helping to remove coatings like paint or rust quickly and efficiently. You are still free to add attachments of your choice, but will now have a tidy and debris-free workspace every time, because the tool comes with a connected vacuum cleaner that collects every last bit of dust and debris as you work. The Renovator Rex 120D is the perfect way to make anything look like new and sells for around $130. Woodpecker's Stable Max RT Router Table. If you buy the Woodpecker's Stable Max RT Router Table, you can have a perfectly set up and functional woodworking station within mere moments. The table is designed for fitting into smaller spaces, features an opening for an electric motor with a rotating cutter shaft, but still reserves the option for traditional use, where the cutter is immobile and the wood is guided through. Assembly and disassembly is done at a snap, and in the video you can see how easy it is to remove the motor, flip it over, and use it as a standalone tool. You can now upgrade this workspace for only $300 with this router table. Multifunction tools are always popular, so be sure to check out the next 3-in-1 gardening marvel. CC Electric Car Jack. Making life easier by incorporating smart tools into your routine is one of the best ways to save time and money. And though you can outsource many jobs to professionals, there are still many things you can do yourself. And now for $130, you can buy one of the best car jacks on the market right now. The CC Electric Car Jack Universal Kit is equipped with an LED light, an electric jack, an air pump and beacon, and the creators even included practical overload protection that focuses on safety by stopping the jack at its maximum height limit, or when loads are excessively heavy. The 180-watt electric motor helps it lift up to 11,000 pounds or 5 tons of weight with ease, so it's as hard-working and dependable as any other, and is a great solution for those who want to do their own car maintenance. ALKO Blower Vac. Every year, no matter the season, gardeners are cleaning and the job is never done. That's why tools like the ALKO Blower Vac are a gift from the gardening gods. With 3 versatile settings: blowing, suction, and shredding, a robust 2.4 kilowatt motor, a maximum airspeed of 130 miles per hour or 58 meters a second, and a generous waste container that can hold up to 10 gallons or 40 liters. It has everything to clean even the messiest of outdoor spaces. Plus, it weighs a paltry 12 pounds or 5.4 kilograms. So in the end, it might cost you more not to have this in your shed than having it. For $346, this can be yours. DIY grinding mill. Innovation sometimes comes in strange and unusual packages, and often in ways that we don't expect. The humble angle grinder is a perfect example of this. Somebody decided to push the boundaries of tool creation and came up with this genius and cost-effective way to do so much more with this simple tool, and transformed an old pot and an old angle grinder into a fully functional grinding mill. In place of a cutting disc, he uses an edge disc secured with bolts, and in place of spending money on tools from Bosch and Phillips, you can use this grinder for free. Tests showed that this homemade machine performs just as well as the ones that cost hundreds of dollars. Do you think this idea is worth trying out? Last up, don't miss out on the extension cord that trumps all others. Flexzilla extension cord reels. Your first thought when hearing the name of this product might lead you to imagine a large mutant monster, but even though it's not as extreme as all that, the Flexzilla extension cord reels definitely still has some great features that make it stand out. First off, the transparent design is not just for looks. It lets you see the green light that indicates when the tool is receiving power, and it also lets you keep track of how much cord is remaining. The Flexzilla extension cord reel is also armed with two cords, a shorter one that's 5 feet or 1.5 meters long, with a plug for $70, and a longer one available in either 25 or 50 feet, or 7.6 meters or 15 meters, with a triple outlet for $102. Plus, these cords can pull back seamlessly, cleverly lock in place every 11.81 inches, or 30 centimeters. All this comes in at a price of $82. Don't go anywhere, since our countdown of amazing tools continues in our next video.